All right. Oh my gosh, this thing moves. I did not expect that. Here's the back here. It literally looks like it was glued. But other than that, there's nothing else that's holding it in, which is so wild. Like, oh. I'm so happy, oh, happy that lucky me. All right, guys, so this is the review of the 2022 BMW R9T. 1200 cc Boxster motor. I mean, look at the head sticking out on the side of this thing. It's wild. It's got LEDs in the front. That's blinking. It's just because of the... It's not blinking in real life. LEDs in the rear. So I already test drove this bike before shooting this part of the video. And this back part here popped off on the road. See all the scratches on it here? Like, it literally popped off on the road. And then we had to go and find it. So we went and found it. But it's literally glued under there, which is really weird. Like, there's no bolts or anything to hold it together, which I'm assuming when I gave it gas, the throttle, it pushed here and popped that off. So, I mean, that's not good as far as build quality. It's got a steering damper underneath here. It's got inverted forks, Brembo brakes. I mean, this thing's super nice, super fast, crazy torque. I mean, you guys will see in that part of the video. But yeah, I mean, other than that, the rear, like, just got all scratched up. And other than that, I mean, no issues with the bike. Acro exhaust, which sounds pretty nice. Yeah, I mean, they were going for like a roadster style with this bike, which definitely looks the part, which is nice. So, and there he is. All right. Well, it sucks that came off. Check out this intake here, dude. This is insane. Look at this thing. Just on the side there. Like, that's so wild. Functional, too. I mean, it's crazy. Suspension in the back. I mean, adjustable, fully adjustable. I mean, this thing's meant for, like, ripping. So, yeah, I mean, we're going to have to get another back part to that. But other than that, the seat was comfortable. Seating position was comfy, too. Yeah, that's about it. All right. Peace. See how she sounds. So it's a Boxster motor, so like literally pistons go this way instead of up and down or like a V or anything. So when you rev it, it shakes left to right. It's wild. Got a mode button here. So let's check out the modes. Let's see. Got road, rain, 2 modes. Let's do that. Let's see, menu. Got different temperature, engine temperature, the time, service intervals, the date. That's pretty cool. All right. Seating position on this thing is pretty comfy, actually. So I noticed it releases really fast on the clutch. This thing, it looks pretty wide, but it feels good. It's not crazy heavy. It's a good feel to it. Pretty good feel. I like it. I like it. All right. So this is a 1200, so you can get some power out of this thing. I've never ridden a Boxster motor before, so this is going to be interesting seeing how this thing rides, which is cool. Definitely weird to get used to. I mean, definitely has the power, which is cool. Yeah, I mean, it's got power, all right. Woo! I like that. I mean, she moves. I forgot, I don't have the service plate on here. People are nice, they let me go. I have no plate on this, so if I get pulled over, I get pulled over. But it's all good. It's all in good fun. So letting out in the clutch on this thing's a little bit weird, honestly. I like almost stalled it twice, but it has like a weird, I really don't know how to explain it, to be honest. It's like a like, it seems like it lets out early, but it doesn't. But it's just like the range for the clutch is like small. Like, you don't have a lot of play in there. Like, you let it out, you're either engaged or you're disengaged. It's pretty wild. Uh-oh. Cops are already coming. They're already coming. But this thing's definitely got power. So that's cool. Alright, let's see. Yeah, I'm not used to that. That's weird. It's a weird feeling. I guess it's just the way that the motor revs that feels weird, that I'm not used to. But definitely comfortable. Feels like you can flick this thing really nice. So no quick shifter or anything. I mean, this has plenty of power. This thing is no joke with power. No gear indicator, just the miles per hour and kilometers per hour, if you're into that kind of thing. But definitely pretty nice. I mean, I'm comfortable on it. The seating position is really upright. Like, my arms are a little bit forward, but you can rotate the bars and get to be like pretty upright. I mean, definitely comfortable. The gearing on this thing seems a little weird. Like, I guess because it's a boxer motor, I'm not sure how they work exactly, but it doesn't seem to rev very high. But it I mean, it's got the torque when you want it, so that's cool. Let's see, I might turn around here and get some yeah, the way it engages is definitely a little bit odd. I'm not super used to it. Let's see. Woo! Alright. Let's see. We're good. Alright. Oh my gosh! This thing moves. I did not expect that. Dang! Bro! What? What? Okay, every single time I change gears, no matter where I am in the RPMs, this thing just like kicks me in the rear. Like, that is so aggressive. That's insane, dude. Oh my gosh. That's insane. Oh, I did not expect that. Wow. Okay, this thing has crazy power. Let's see if we can hit this corner now at a little speed. Tires are still not warmed up yet, but oh my gosh. Well, I mean, if you want to run for the cops, this is the bike to do it. Oh my gosh, this is fast. I can't believe this. I'm like afraid to flip the clutch. Okay, so it doesn't let you slip the clutch, which is probably for the better, because I don't know. I mean, it seems like there's only road mode. I don't know if you can change things and make a custom mode in this. I didn't see anything in the menu that said that. If I'm wrong, I hope someone would tell me. But I mean, this thing, whew, I did not expect that power out of it. I 100% did not expect that power out of it. Like, that is nuts, for real. I gotta do that again. That was just wild. Oh man, BMW R9T. Franco told me what model this is too, and I completely forgot it, so I'll remember. Oh man, this thing. I almost stalled it there. This thing is wild, bro. It does not like going slow. It's almost like a Ducati in that aspect. Like, it does not like going slow. The turning on it feels a little weird, just because I don't know, just because I'm assuming because of the big giant heads sticking out on the side. I mean, look at that thing. If you guys can see that, look at the heads. That's insane, dude. That's insane. Like, they stick out so hardcore. Okay, watch this acceleration. Oh my gosh, dude. That's insane, bro. That's just insane. I don't even know what to say about that. That's like so aggressive. It is so aggressive. Like, that's wild, bro. That's insane, dude. That's seriously nuts. So, that's all you got to do. I don't know if that guy was honking at that truck driver or what. Hopefully I don't stall this thing because I don't remember how to restart it. BMW R9T. Oh, look. It's a Ford Raptor. It looks like mine. Oh, maybe it is mine. Could be. Nah, mine didn't have the that kind of bumper. Oh, thank you. Oh, it looks like there was a wire on this thing. What the flip? Who knew? Bro, that's insane, bro. Look at this. Wire sticking out all over the place. That's insane, bro. I must have been ripping on this with like a battery tender wire just sticking out of it. Dude, that's so funny. Alright. Let's make sure this stays on here. Woo, he was honking at me. Oh, there it is. Okay, I got it. I didn't know he was honking at me or not. That's crazy, dude. Alright, well, I got it. That's so funny. I thought he said something was leaking at first, but yeah, I'm not used to this clutch. That's crazy. That was so funny. Was I whipping that hard with that battery? That thing was like so long. That was sticking out so far. That's wild. Alright. Oh, the power on this thing is just insane. It is seriously insane. Look, there's my bike right there. Nice, 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 nice. Alright. So there you go. BMW R9T 2022. I mean, this thing's got crazy power. That's wild, dude. That's so wild. So, yeah, alright. I'll see you guys later. Peace. Alright.